Hi, I'm Rosie Black, property partner for CR Real Estates. Today I'm in Larkfield at this 4-bedroom semi-detached family home. Come with me, let's take a look around. This home has so much to offer. The bay-fronted sitting room overlooks the garden and is flooded with natural light. There is huge potential to create an incredible open-plan living space if you're looking for something to add your own stamp to. The property boasts that all-important ground floor cloakroom, along with a utility room, a modern bathroom and 2 double bedrooms in addition to a good-sized 3rd bedroom. There is also the added bonus of a 4th bedroom or office on the ground floor. Surrounded by supermarkets and amenities with Leybourne Lakes a short walk in one direction and Larkfield Leisure Centre in the other, the location is ideal for all types of families. The garden is a great size and gives the opportunity for extensions galore, subject to permissions of course. If you can see yourself living in this family home, give me a call on the number below to book your viewing.